When you come to this place, it's like stepping into Jurassic Park. This is Kells Bay Gardens in the southwest of Ireland, and it boasts one of the biggest collections of tree ferns in the Northern Hemisphere.
We do have the effect of the Gulf Stream, which keeps the winter temperatures a bit more balmy. We have huge precipitation here, so the humidity here is very high. You can see the moss growing on these tree ferns is quite exquisite, quite like almost carpet-like, absolutely beautiful. So the humidity here is the secret, and the temperateness.
Is now a good time to tell you, Billy, that I really don't like heights. It's a beautiful view from up here too, Billy. We're just looking down the river there, and again a few trees which have fallen over the river and are absolutely clothed in beautiful green moss. I mean, if you stood still long enough around here, you'd be covered in moss.
From the first time I came here, which was 20 years ago, I remember feeling that special place, and I can't believe I'm now living here, custodian of the gardens, and having a fantastic time growing beautiful plants in paradise.